So I'm going to start off by saying I'm going to be doing a trench coat, crop trench coat. My sister had one during the winter time and I wanted it really bad, but I didn't want to pay the price for it. So I decided to go through and to find me a trench coat and just crop it myself and do a little DIY project. And you will see how cute it turns out in the end, guys. It is so stinking cute. And like at the end, I'm gonna have a call to action and I want to see what you guys think, or what you guys think I should do with the leftovers, but you will see. Just stay tuned and watch. Okay, bye. Hello everybody. Today we are going to be going to a thrift store and finding a simple tan trench coat. Let's turn this to the side. And these are all my jackets, so don't mind these. But we're going to be doing a Pinterest look today. Trench coat, a crop trench coat. And I would say go to Goodwill, but I'm not going to tell you that because trench coats at Goodwill are a little bit more pricier. So if you could find like a local thrift store that really don't know what they got in there, go to that because you'll find it for much cheaper. My budget for today, I'm trying to pay at least under $8, and I have found them for under $8, so that's what I'm trying to pay. So let go. This is the jacket that we are using. We are making a cropped trench for the summer. We have the string here. We're going to be cutting it at the bottom. Let's go. All right. We are ready to cut this jacket. I'm going to move this out of my way. This is a cute jacket. Look, the collar is red. That's so cute to me. First things first, I'm going to see if I could take this liner out, which I don't think I can. But okay. This jacket has been washed. So first things first is I'm gonna figure out like where I want so I'm gonna figure out like where I want the crop to hit, and I'm thinking like right here or either right here, maybe here, so that I can have a little give. I could make this into a skirt, y'all. This bottom half. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it right here all the way around. So let's try to keep it very, very straight, okay? I'm gonna cut. The third button. So 1, 2, 3, right before the pocket, right here. So cut to. All right. This is the bottom half. And I'm thinking about taking this bottom half and doing something with it, like skirt or something. Like a skirt. What do you guys think? Like, make it into a skirt. Move around. Alright. This is the jacket now. And basically, I just need to fix this part. Get that part. Clip and stay. Ready? Let's go. There we go. Okay. So we're gonna just hem this entire thing. We're gonna fold it in like this and go all the way across. And like I said before, you can pin this if you need to. I'm not going to because I don't feel like it. Chill out. You don't have to act in that manner. For real. It's not. It hasn't even. It's not even sewing the thing. It's sewing the other thing. I mean, it's sewing the part. It's not even sewing. I did too much. I didn't need it. I'm gonna push this back. What in my ears? Okay, now I need to go back in. I'm ready to go back in and I'm gonna do another stitch on it. Where is it? Right there. I'm gonna iron it and then I'm gonna do another stitch. Now I'm just gonna take my ends here, these little strings, and I'm gonna tie them. That was good. On Misty Harbor. I put this shit on the outside. Made in Korea. I like stuff like that. I'm gonna put this on the outside because I just do stuff like that. I like stuff like that. This is just different. Like, make a person think, is that coat the right way? Yep, it's the right way. I just put this on the outside. That's all. Okay. So I'm going to sew this to the outside. of this piece. And then we'll be finished. I'm gonna put it, I think I'm gonna put it right here. I think that's cute. This is it. We are done. We're done. Stick a fork in us. We're done. Okay, I'll be back. All right, this is the coat. I'm ready to show you what it looks like on. It is so freaking cute. Okay, like so cute. One. On my body. On my body, sis. Oops, hit on my headphone. That's okay. Got a lot going on. Alright. This is the coat. You can button it. And this is what it looks like with the straps crossed. I'm going to pull the bottom down so you can see how cute this thing is. You feel me? Like, look how cute. You can't tell me that this is not a cute little jacket to throw on, like when you trying to be cute or whatever in the summer, but you still need a little coat to put on. I'm trying to get it on the back so you can see how the back looks. But, like, how cute is that? Like, tell me that's not stinking cute. Just tell me. Look at this outfit. It is so stinking cute. And I had an idea of taking the leftover and turning it into a skirt to match. So you guys let me know if you want me to turn this bottom half into a skirt. Leave me a comment. Write me a message.